So I want to go over my favorite crypto exchange and why it's probably one of the best. I know the barrier to entry for a lot of people in general are just the fees, taking out so much money. I mean, some of those other, exchanges take out like 5, 10, they have a huge spread. It is insane. And I hate it because you put in like $100 and you get like $90 back and you're like, what happened to my money? I haven't even done anything with it. But this exchange eliminates all the headaches, the fees, the verification. They just make it so simple. And so I want to go over my favorite crypto exchange, MEXC. This exchange is a game changer. They have 0 fees for euro fiat deposits, 100 euros with 0 fees, and you receive 100 euros in credit. No hidden charges, no fiat deposit fees. Funds are instantly deposited into your account to buy crypto, to spot trade, to use any really trading feature that they have. You literally keep 100% of your money and you have it work for you. I really love that. They have multiple 0 fee purchase options from the Euro country itself, or I guess the Euro area. You can buy crypto, you can use Apple Pay, you can use Google Pay, and all of this without additional fees, 0 additional fees, making it one of the most efficient exchanges to start with. New users get strong advantages just for signing up. They have a fast onboarding. They have really a platform that allows you to really trade and get things done without needing full KYC, which is know your customer. So you're able to deposit your euros. You are able to select it as a currency. You get it from, if you deposit with a online bank transfer or SEPA, you enjoy 0 fees, instant usability, which is insane. You can literally just start trading right away. There's no waiting. There's no lockups. Your balance is ready to go. So if you want to trade on the spot market, you want to explore other features, you want to buy crypto, you're able to do that. And it's just ideal for beginners and active traders in Europe, combining low fees, easy access, and really just flexible payment methods. It is by far one of the best crypto exchanges for fiat onboarding. I think it's really a game changer. I don't know if you guys... This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky. Do your own research. Not only that, but I think it has one of the top number of cryptos that they actually provide liquidity for. It's pretty insane because I remember trying to buy some coin that was pumping and you couldn't get it anywhere else but MEXC. And they just have all these major crypto tokens that a lot of these other crypto exchanges didn't jump on. And I think MEXC is just doing great things. They obviously have some great things. I mean, look at $1,000 up for grabs, ICP, 0 fee gala, 0 fees for makers and takers, everyday airdrops, 1,000 APR, most trending tokens over 3,000, comprehensive liquidity, #1 in the industry with 0% fees. I mean, that's insane. There's just so many different cryptos here that you could get that I couldn't get on other exchanges. So, and you can get $20 just for signing up. You can earn up to 600% APR on Tether. There's average airdrops, $50. They are just giving money away. It seems like, I don't know, it's insane. Fees as low as 0%. They are just doing some amazing things. 3 keys for asset security. They definitely want you to have your assets safe. And they have a mobile app, both on the App Store and Google Play. So you're able to use it from anywhere. So I'm a big fan of MEXC. I've used MEXC for many years now, and I think you should too. That's it, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.